Good morning, guys, and welcome to Farmer on the Prairie. These wheels are pretty worn out, and Great Plains came out with a new double rib design that's going to pack a lot better, and it's also a lot more rigid. So we've got 2 of them on there. We've got 30 more to replace. So I'm going to lift the drill up and start pulling all those off. We're going to go home, pop the wheels apart, and put the new tires on. So let's get to it. Well, I got all the tires off of the drill except for the 2 that we already replaced. They're in the back of the truck. The new tires are in the other truck. And now I guess we'll head home and start to change them. Okay, so I've gotten 3 done at this point. It's been about an hour and a half has passed. I'll show you why it's a little bit of an issue for me. It's because these wheels here, these wheel halves, have a lip on them. So therefore, you can't just push them in, press them in, because it gets caught on this and tries to tear that. So you've got to be super careful about getting it to open up and get this pressed in. It's taken a little bit, a little hard, but I made a phone call and there's somebody that'll be showing up helping me do a little bit. Duchess, come here. Come here. No? Okay, whatever. It's just too cute. I'm gonna get back to my struggle and work. Well, my helper showed up. Oh, and for those of you who think that Ben and I got like some bro spat going on, it's totally not true at all.
No?
I don't, yeah. Anyways, for those of you who think that, no, it's, the business has totally nothing to do with that or anything. It's just the way we decided to go. He still does help, just not as much around here. Right. But I had a really terrible, horrible, awful job I was doing, and I thought I would.
Just terrible.
I thought I'd call him to try and get rid of him for good, but it's not working.
You said we were changing tires. You didn't really go into great detail.
I said tires. These are tires. I just didn't tell him gauge wheels.
Yeah. Thank you, Seth.
Watch Ben disassemble the wheels because it's a lot more fun to watch him than me back there on the press with a mallet just beating the crap out of him.
A lot of fun.
30 tires later. We've got one extra one in case we ever have one of these go bad. 30 tires later, Ben and I are done. This lazy booger said he didn't want to change out 3 more wagon tires tonight and then put all those back on because he's got to get a good night's sleep for work tomorrow and make some pancakes in the morning. Such a sad sob story.
It is 9:41.
Shh.
Who needs sleep anyways?
Who needs sleep? Today, we're taking all of those tires that Ben and I changed out last night. We're taking them over to John's and going to be installing them back on the drill. We're gonna see by late morning if it is starting to dry out and we can do beans today. If not, switching back over to corn and gonna start on corn. Because the rest of this week looks like a wash and we need to get some seat time in the combines. Okay, we're over here at John's. We got 30 gauge wheels that need put back on, so I'm gonna set up the camera and get to work. We've got all the tires on the drill done, the combine's cleaned out. Let's see how much prettier those are. Just make sure they all spin right. I'm headed home. Looks like we are not gonna be harvesting today, but still gonna wrap up all my other little stuff so tomorrow I can go work in construction. But I'm gonna get these tires swapped out. Of course, like usual, this wagon has needed tires for forever and we decided to put new tires on it this year. So Dad had already bought the tires, but now I think we're gonna we're at least selling some of our wagons. I'm not sure how many of our wagons we're selling. Might be all of them, but we're at least selling this wagon that we put new tires on. So I have changed 2 of the tires. This is my last one right here. And then we're gonna get it back on the wagon. But figured I'll set up the camera, let you guys watch me do my last tire here. And it'll be a good time. These 16.1-inch wheels are very, very frustrating because there's not much flex in the bead and it's hard to get them on there. that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.